Tween Factory is Gingy's all-in-one utility to move your objects around the stage. With Tween Factory, you can apply simple tweens, or you can spruce them up with various easing in and out, as well as rotation. Let's create a tween where we'll move our object, object 1, in 1 second to a Y location called Y location that we've arbitrarily created. So here's our object that we've created, and I just copy and pasted from another tutorial in animation. And all we have to do to tween it is type tweenFactory.tween2, the object we want to tween, the time in seconds we want it to tween to, which we'll set as 1. And then you'll see a vars parameter, which is bracketed. And in here we can do a whole bunch of customizations that we want to our tween. So we've set an onComplete function to fire off when the tween is completed. We've specified a Y location to tween to. And we have an ease. Now let's add an X location to this tween so you can see how it's done. And that's also a variable we've already created. And for our ease, we can choose from a number of eases. For example, we've chosen cubic and we've set an ease in and an out. Apart from cubic, there are others though. To see them, we're going to type import.com gingygames.animationutils.ease. And then you can see we have back, bounce, cubic, elastic, linear, and strong. Great. So let's see what this looks like. Let's preview. And here you can see our turtle eased in and out to its final location. Now let's try bounce. See what that looks like. And you can see it did a little bit of a bounce there. Great. And you can see our onComplete function firing off. Now let's give another object a tween with a rotation in it. I'll just comment this in. And this is just a static image of our seaweed. And you'll see it rotate, since we've specified the rotation to 300 in our vars parameter. Easy peasy. To remove tweens, all you have to do is type tweenFactory.removeTweensOf and specify the object. The second parameter means that it will set your object's position and animation to their respective final positions. So, for example, if you set X to 500, it will stop the animation and set X to 500 even if it did not complete the entire tween. Finally, I want to demonstrate another cool parameter you can use called onUpdate. OnUpdate essentially fires off every time the position of the object is updated. All you have to do is submit that parameter along with the rest. So we would submit onUpdate. Let's call our function onUpd. So you can do some cool stuff like trace the current position every time it's updated. All we'd have to do is type function onUpt and then trace updating X value, for example. And then we trace the object 1's X value. Let's just preview it one final time. Fantastic.